Students, you are welcome to my channel Chemistry Guru. I am BD Tripathi, your chemistry teacher. Today, I am going to start your chemistry chapter solutions. Topic: abnormal molar masses. Molecular masses of the solutes which are inversely proportional to the colligative properties must have different values from their normal values. These molecular masses are abnormal in nature, therefore they are called abnormal molar masses. They are also called as observed molecular masses. The anomalies in molar masses is due to number 1 association of solute molecules, or number 2 dissociation of solute particles in solution. Number 1 association of solute molecules. Certain solutes undergo association in their solutions. Association involves the combination of two or more molecules of solute to form a single entity. It leads to decrease in the number of particles in the solution, resulting in a decrease in the value of colligative property. Therefore, higher value is observed for molecular mass than normal values. For example, ethanoic acid dissolved in benzene shows a molar mass of 120 gram mole inverse. Normal molar mass is 60 gram mole inverse. Similarly, benzoic acid dissolved in benzene is found to have molar mass double of its normal molar mass. This is because both acetic acid and benzoic acid form dimers in the solution due to hydrogen bonding. Acetic acid, benzoic acid. Dotted line shows hydrogen bonding. Dissociation of solute molecules. Electrolytes like acids, bases, and salts dissociate in aqueous solutions to form two or more ionic particles. Therefore, the number of particles in solutions of such substances increases. As a result, molar mass of such substances, as calculated from colligative properties, will be less than their normal values. For example, KCl dissociate into K positive and Cl negative ions when dissolved in water. So, the number of solute particles in the solution would be double the number of particles if no dissociation had taken place. Hence, it is expected to have molar mass equal to half of its normal molar mass, that is 74.5 by 2 or 37.25 gram mole inverse. However, the molar mass of KCl is found to be 40.3 gram mole inverse. The difference in the two values is due to the fact that there are strong attractive forces present in the oppositely charged ions of the strong electrolyte in solution. Consequently, there is difference in the values of molar masses. Van 't Hoff's factor. In 1886, Van 't Hoff introduced a factor I called Van 't Hoff's factor to express the extent of association or dissociation of solutes in solution. This factor I is defined as I equal to normal molar mass upon abnormal molar mass. I equal to observed colligative property upon calculated colligative properties. Or I equal to total number of moles of particles after association upon dissociation upon number of moles of particle before association upon dissociation. In case of association, observed molar mass being more than the normal, the factor I has value less than 1. But in case of dissociation, the one-half factor is more than 1 because the observed molar mass has a lesser value than the normal molar mass. In case there is no association or dissociation, the value of I becomes equal to 1. No association or dissociation, I equal to 1. In case of association, I is less than 1. In case of dissociation, I is greater than 1. Modified form of colligative properties. Inclusion of one-half factor I modifies the equation for colligative properties as follows. Relative lowering of vapor pressure of solvent P1 naught minus P1 upon P1 naught equal to I into N2 upon N1. Elevation of boiling point delta T be equal to I into Kb into M. Depression of freezing point delta Tf equal to I into Kf into small m. Osmotic pressure of solution pi equal to I into N2 into RT upon V. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.